Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a plugin called Gradient Source. It's a very simple plugin. Let's see what it does. So this is the plugin Gradient Source. This is a plugin and some information about it. After you install it and reopen OBS Studio, you will find this gradient source. Add it. Now you can select multiple things. Let's make this smaller here. Now we have a gradient that we can change what we want. We can make it for 2 colors, 3, 4, 5, whatever we want. So let's start by 2. Let's start by 2. One is 2 colors. So let's select, for example, green, and let's select red, or this one. Okay. Now as you can see, it's different right now. It has different colors. You can change the opacity of each color. So this color has its own and this color has its own. As you can see, midpoint, you can change it to make one more over the other like this. And you can enable this sRGB to have a different state of color. Rotation, to rotate it like this. So it's now not just right and left, it can be an angle. And now let's say we want to add one more color. Let's add purple. Okay, now we have 3 colors. Let's decrease this one, for example. Let's midpoint, decrease its opacity. Right now we have a gradient with 3 colors, and this is how it works. So right now we have a gradient. You can just use it like this. Save. We can use it like this for anything. You can use it as a background for your webcam, for example. If you have a chroma key and you want to use it as a background, you can do that. You can use it for other effects. So let's say, for example, OBS Studio. Okay, now we have our text. You can hide this gradient for now. You can hide it. And on this text, let's add filters, add stroke. Okay. Let's increase the size, change it from color to source, and select the source gradient 2. Now let's see the result. You can see the results right now. Let's increase the size like this. It's taking the colors of this gradient number 2 and adding it instead of a color as a stroke to OBS Studio. Let's say right now I don't want it to be shown. You can hide it. It's just taking the information. You don't need to be showing it. So if I go back to the gradient, I can still, let's say, add one more color, blue. Let's see, right now it changed. So this is how it works. You can change everything like this from the gradient itself. A very simple plugin that can be used for many things, and it's very helpful. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.